saw this title and there is no catch to it. Of course, it's free migration that we are offering for people trying to move from HubSpot to the GoHighLevel. Yes, it's free migration, and you will be able to see. So just bear with me. I'm just going to present few of the slides, and you will get to see like how do you get this free migration. So basically, from the starting point, for the people who don't understand why exactly should they move, or whether they are on the verge about to move to the HubSpot. So here's the smarter move: that if you're tired of paying the premium prices for the HubSpot and want all the same CRM automation marketing power at a fraction of a cost, this is your chance to move to GoHighLevel with zero migration fees. We will migrate your entire HubSpot account to GoHighLevel for free. So why agencies and businesses are leaving HubSpot for GoHighLevel? Answer is all-in-one CRM. They have the email, SMS, funnel, calendar, AI automation. This is just tip of the iceberg, and it is saving almost for some of the businesses like $1,000 per month on software costs, or even less. Like even more sometimes if you actually combine the set of features and unlimited sub account feature and so many other things. Now, unlimited users, unlimited contacts, white label option as you're becoming your own brand, having unlimited number of sub accounts, like literally it's a no brainer. It has a built-in AI chatbot, voice agents, automation workflows. So it's not just a cheaper HubSpot, it's a smarter AI powered one. Now, the big players like lately, Tony Robbins was conducting one of his events, and that was on the GoHighLevel. So what we are talking, you are getting the same piece of software which is preferred by Tony Robbins, and at a fraction of a cost. So that's why it's a no-brainer. The reason people don't migrate or switch is because once you are on a certain platform, it really binds you over there. Transferring costs, transferring contacts, deals, emails, workflows from the HubSpot sounds complicated. Agencies charge around $600 to $2,000, and you don't even know that whether it will be done. Time consuming. That's where we guys come in, and I'll do your migration 100% free. All we are asking is just you sign up to the GoHighLevel using our affiliate link, gohighlevel.com/Abdullah Zahid. This is my affiliate link. This is a special page that you will find. Normally you will be, if you just go to gohighlevel.com, you'll be getting 14-day free trial. Here you're getting 30-day free trial. And let me tell you guys, I'm spending money from my pocket to do this migration, and hefty amount. So it's like most of the time I'll be in loss, but you'll get to know why I'm doing this, because eventually I might break even after like many months. But yeah, initially I'm in a big loss, but I want this deal to be no brainer for you. And literally I would, because you have a 30-day free trial as well, so it's like something totally risk free for you. Complete migration from HubSpot to GoHighLevel. My expert team handles everything for you. And if you like, I am a premium affiliate of GoHighLevel. I have done interview of the CEO and the co-founder, like both the co-founder, Sean Clark, the CEO, the face of GoHighLevel, and the second co-founder, Varun Varavan. Like, it is on my YouTube channel. So like, I have been, in fact, I have been associated as an independent affiliate from 2020, long time. So yeah, this is like full time I do. So when you'll get uh, what you'll get when you join with my link, gohighlevel.com/Abdullah Zahid, 30-day free trial. By the way, you just WhatsApp me. I'll try to put my number at the top, or email me at abdullah@abdullahzahid.com right after you sign up, and we will take care of that. Like, I'll connect with my GoHighLevel expert, create a WhatsApp group, and between you, me, and my expert, till the time your migration is complete, that group will be there. So it's like personalized thing that I'm offering. So free HubSpot to GoHighLevel migration done by my expert team. 30-day free trial of GoHighLevel instead of 14-day. And now this one is like 127 niche snapshot. Snapshot is like ready to one click of a button. You click on the link and everything existing business imports into your account. So these are premium snapshot. You might not need them now, but you become like a cook. It's tens of thousands of dollars of values. People pay for it. I have it. I give to my affiliate. So this one is also included with that. And of course, you have the personal WhatsApp access while onboarding, everything to switch up, set up fast, 100% free. Now, why are we offering this for free? Because as I told you, like initially I'll be in a big loss for like many months. My goal is to actually, I have created a bold goal for myself that help 10,000 entrepreneurs build their AI agency automation business, or have build their business or use GoHighLevel as a platform through me. That's what my goal is. Whatever it takes, I'm going to do that. This is one of the thing, and we are ready to take the short-term loss to over-deliver massive long-term value. Once you experience GoHighLevel, you never grow back, and we really believe the kind of work that they're doing, this is once in a lifetime of a software that everybody deserves to have. Whoever has followed the path of this entrepreneurship, they deserve to have such a software which is built on ethics, work, the way the CEO works, like literally, and personalizes his conversation. It is a sight to watch. So how it works overall? Click my link, go on the GoHighLevel, like gohighlevel.com/Abdullah Zahid. Type in the browser, copy paste from here, sign up and start your 30-day free trial. Message me on the WhatsApp. This is my number, +971 588 601 057. Add me, and like this is my Dubai number. Message me and I'm going to create the WhatsApp group between you, me, and an expert, or email me here to start the free migration. She will connect with you, and then payment and all I'll handle. My expert completes the migration. You get onboarded personally into GHL account, 3 to 5 business days, and everything is done. Free migration offer will be limited to capacity, because you understand, like, this is a personalized, thorough work. Like it is like a task being done by the team. So you never know, like it might get filled, or I might take too much of a loss that I might stop this offer. So that's why I would want you guys to hurry. If you see it, if you're still watching this video, it's still uploaded, that means my offer is open, and I would try to accommodate everyone, like as many people as I can. So please utilize this opportunity, and I'm very sure you would respect the kind of offer that you understand the kind of money that it takes to do that. But I'm offering it because to complete my own goal. So like I'm paying from my own pocket, like big hefty sum of amount for all the people getting in at no benefit upfront. So start your 30-day free trial, gohighlevel.com/Abdullah Zahid, right? And message me, WhatsApp. So you're getting free migration, 30-day trial, snapshots, onboarding, support, right? Moving from expensive to efficient, HubSpot to GoHighLevel. Here it is. Maybe your contract is also expiring for those people also. This is the option. This is what you do. Again, I'm waiting for your message right after you sign up. Go using the link gohighlevel.com/Abdullah Zahid. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Bye-bye.